Hey there, I thought we'd do some ring spinning together. Honestly, crushed stone and resin for me is difficult. I'm messy. That's what I'm at. So, that one in purple has been on. It's still a little, actually what this is a real acrylic paint. So, it has to dry solidly, and then you look and see if you've over edged anywhere. It's very easy to clean up, and then unfortunately it comes to the resin business, and I seem to have a really hard time at getting the resin properly done. So I'm just going to maybe speed up our picture here a little bit because, well, we'll be here for the day if we don't. Alrighty, so we've picked up our pace. It's going to go a little faster through this next section. Slap it on some orange. This is actually one of the easiest ways there is to handle these rings. I have a bit of tremors, so the resin really annoys me. I'm actually going to ask my honey if he'd like to take a stab at it, because it's his hands are much less shaky than mine, although he's better at knocking down a wall or that whole bull in a china shop thing. We've got a few of those in our household. So I've done a few coats. I've cleaned up the edges on some of these. I do want to do another, because of course it goes from one end to the other. I have turned my speed to the highest when I've finished doing a layer. My theory is that the whole darn thing's gonna, come out at the end being relatively even. So that's what I've been working on, and today will be test day for those things. I did them yesterday. That's this video actually. So yeah, we're closing up the orange and see, high speed, balance it out. It does take more time to dry, and I should actually either have a fan on it or the heat gun would do no good. It has to be cold. So, and we are slowing down the red. Oh, I just barked something at somebody. Probably a cat. Okay, so we've taken off the orange and we've put in blue. I'm not overly fond of these colored ones because the colors do flake off quite easy. So that's not helpful. And I'm going with what here? Oh, I'm going to use the pens, the acrylic paint pens. Come on, let's get some juice out of it. There we go. And we started off with the light aqua. I don't know why I'm so drawn to the color. I guess maybe because it's not quite the one I remember. Or the kids had a jacket. It was just so ugly. It was in the, I don't know, peacock green, but I don't know. Anyway, okay. So, what am I doing? Okay, shaking pens, getting air out. Don't stomp on the glass, and then we're gonna add some more to that. Oh, look at us go. Yes, so quite frankly, what you're getting in this video is a whole lot of ring things. I'm happy today whilst doing this recording. I did do the recording yesterday, and I did do it with intentions of talking to you on the side here and not through the actual doings, because, well, it's just all different paints from all different companies put together. And as I said, these are still not resined yet, so we'll have to do some work on that. Let's see, what else do we have for hot topics today? Oh, for anybody who's a cat lover, that was so stupid. All right, what are we doing here? Going with, this would be the color shift, color change. Like when you look at it from one side, it's going to be pink. When you look at it from the other side, it's going to be blue. That's what this one is. It also dries kind of in a transparency, so you really don't see the fact that there's even another layer there on top of your blues. So there you have it. Please remember to either do that, hit like, follow, subscribe, any of those things. I don't remember them all. And do go take a look at the store. New stuff every day. You're supporting an arthritic artist. I think I'm going to make that my name. I'm not sure that we have much else to really chit-chat about today. So, hey, let's see what we've got for music. Thanks for coming to hang out. If you have the time, stop by, watch something else different. That's one of our things, is we've always got something different to show. Who knows what'll be next. Have a great day. Thanks.